Good morning, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, we're still going to be working on the binomial distribution, but the practice question that we're going to work on is going to be pass or fail. So the question that we have is, a student has a 60% chance of answering any question correctly on a multiple choice test. What is the probability of getting at least 7 answers correct? And so again, this is going to be the survival function. So what we're going to do is we're going to write a program in Python to answer this question. And in order to do that, we're going to import a library. And we're going to, from scipy.stats, we're going to import binomial. So SciPy is Python's scientific library. Stats is a statistical module within SciPy. And binomial is the distribution that we're going to make to answer that question. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up the parameters of the binomial distribution. So n equals 10 being the number of questions. P is the probability of 0.6, which is the probability of answering a question correctly. And K equals 7. So that's the number that they're looking for because they want to answer 7 questions correctly. So we're going to calculate the survival rate, and I've got two formulas to do that. So probability least 7 equals 1 minus binomial dot CDF, that's cumulative distribution function, brackets K, comma, N, comma, P, K being 7, N being 10, P being 0.6. And then also we're going to use the survival function, which is in SciPy. So prob least 7 equals binomial.sf, brackets K, comma, N, comma, P. So basically, and then we're going to print the probability of getting at least 7 answers correct is approximately 0.1673. And then when we print out the survival function, that's 0.1673 as well. So that just proves that the 1 minus binomial.cdf and the survival function give you the same answers. So you can use whichever answer you want. If you're in Excel, I don't think Excel has a survival function, so you would have to use 1 minus binomial.cdf. The next question that we have is, what is the probability of getting no more than 4 answers correct? So again, from scipy.stats, we're going to import binomial. The parameters of the binomial distribution are n equals 10, that's the number of questions. P equals 0.6, that's the probability of answering a question correctly. And K equals 4, so that's the number of questions that you want to get correct. So we're going to calculate the cumulative probability of X is less than or equal to 4. So probability no more than 4 equals binomial.cdf, that's cumulative distribution function, brackets K equals 4, comma, N equals 10, comma, P equals 0.6, that's your probability. And then we're going to print the probability no more than 4. So probability of getting no more than 4 answers correct is approximately 0.1662. So that's it for this particular video. And the next video, we're going to be answering some questions regarding the Poisson distribution. So I hope you decide to watch it.